Hello from Mazatlan. The tropical depression I mentioned in my last video a couple days ago is now a named tropical storm with 50-mile-an-hour winds, Xavier. It's currently south of Puerto Vallarta, headed north at 7 knots. But the good news is it's supposed to turn left before it gets to Puerto Vallarta and head out to sea. And I'll try and show you that here. There's its probable path. Puerto Vallarta is in this little bay right here. So it looks like it's not going to have much effect for Mazatlan, but still something to be aware of. Talk to you later.